Hi, welcome to the mobile app tutorial of ACCS eLibrary. In this tutorial, we will see the ACCS eLibrary mobile app in action. You can find and download the ACCS eLibrary mobile app on both the iOS App Store and the Android Play Store. Once you have installed the ACCS eLibrary on your mobile, you can register your account using this link, Register Here. Fill all the information as requested. Please ensure to register with your official gov.in account. Upon submission, the request will go to the administrator and after verification they will activate your account. Upon activation you will receive the confirmation over the email. After receiving the confirmation you can log in into the app using the username and password you have choose during registration. This process can take up to 24 hours. Once you are logged in, you can track your past readings, browse collection by media and publishers, trending e-resources, e-books, e-journals and videos recommended by the ACCS library staff. You can browse e-resources by subject and publishers. You will find a long list of publishers have e-books, e-journals and databases subscribed by the ACCS library. You can browse e-resources by media as well. Tap on Press Reader to list of resources. You can tap on the thumbnail for more details on this bubble on the top right to open options. Tap on the Read button to visit the newspaper page on the publisher platform. You will be navigated to the publisher platform where you can read the full text of any article or download the PDF on your mobile phone. The mobile app also features topical collections of e-resources tagged or uploaded by the library staff like defense think tanks and CAS reading list. You can also access expert talks and leisure reading from Explore More. You can search by keyword within the app. The app first shows you publications matching your search query. You can sort the results alphabetically or by year of publication. You can also filter results by publisher, author, media type, accessibility or year of publication. You can switch over the top to collections to see either sources uploaded by the library. If you switch over to the Articles tab, the app will broadcast your search to all the subscribed publishers and databases for matching scholarly papers. You can also save any search results to folders in the reading list. You can create multiple folders and save as many articles as you need into those folders. You will find all your saved items in the last menu option Reading List. Please note that reading lists are in sync. Whatever you save on your web account, and the reading list shows up in the mobile app, and vice versa. If you need any assistance or have any feedback for us, please fill out this form here and we would be happy to help you. Please try the ACCS eLibrary mobile app today. We will be waiting for your feedback and suggestions. Happy reading!